Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we'll show you how to transfer money from Metrobank to GCash using their website. This tutorial is perfect for those who want to send money conveniently and securely. Let's get started. Step 1. Visit the Metrobank website. URL in your browser or searching for Metrobank Online. Once you're on the website, log into your account using your username and password. Step 2. Click on Payments and select External Transfer. This option allows you to send money to other banks, including GCash. Make sure to choose External Transfer and not Internal Transfer, which is for transferring funds within Metrobank accounts. Step 3. Choose GCash as the recipient bank. You'll see a list of participating banks, so make sure to select GCash. If you can't find GCash in the list, you can use the search bar to find it quickly. Step 4. Enter the recipient's GCash mobile number, starting with 19. Double-check the number to ensure it's correct. Make sure to format the mobile number correctly, with 11 digits starting with 19. Step 5. Enter the transfer amount. Check Metrobank's transfer limits to ensure you're within the allowed range. Transfer limits may vary depending on your account type and Metrobank's policies. Step 6. Review and confirm the transaction. Once confirmed, the transaction cannot be canceled. That's it. You've successfully transferred money from Metrobank to GCash using their website. The recipient will receive the funds in their GCash wallet, usually within minutes. Thanks for watching.